Okay. Here he goes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that bear went down the zip line. Okay. Do it again. Whoa, whoa, careful, careful. Okay. Ready? You hold it. Okay. Now, let him go down. 1, 2, 3. Let go. Let go. He's going down the zip line. Hey, you got him off. You want Mom to help you? You want to do it again? Let me back up. Dad's building a fire. There's our car. Panoramic. There was pink over there from the sunset, but now it's pretty much gone. It is nighttime. There's our tent. There's our baby. What happened to the bear, Cora? What's Dad doing? Is he building a fire?